To make plaster of Paris, first cover your work surface with newspaper. Then, heat 1 cup, 250 milliliters, of water to 100 degrees Fahrenheit, 38 degrees Celsius, in the microwave. Mix in 2 cups, 255 grams, of flour with a spatula until there are no lumps. If the paste is too thick, add more water. If it's too runny, add more flour. The mixture will be ready when it is thick but easy to stir. Make sure to use the plaster within 10 minutes before it fully solidifies. Then, let the plaster sit for at least 48 hours at room temperature to fully dry. To make plaster of Paris with glue instead of flour, heat 1 cup, 240 milliliters, of water to 100 degrees Fahrenheit, 38 degrees Celsius. In a mixing bowl, combine the water with 2 cups, 470 milliliters, of white school glue. The resulting plaster will have a soupy consistency. Use this plaster within 15 minutes and let it set 3 days to completely dry.